To link Crypto.com to DeFi wallet, start by opening the Crypto.com app and navigating to the Accounts section. Here you will see a list of all your accounts, including your DeFi wallet. If you have not already created a DeFi wallet, click on Create a new wallet and follow the prompts to set one up. Next, go to the DeFi wallet section and click on the Link Account button. You will be prompted to enter your DeFi wallet address, which can be found in the DeFi wallet app. Once you have entered your address, click the link button to connect your DeFi wallet to Crypto.com. You will then be asked to confirm the link by signing a transaction with your DeFi wallet. This is a security measure to ensure that you are the owner of the wallet. To sign the transaction, open the DeFi wallet app and navigate to the Transactions section. Here you will see the pending transaction from Crypto.com. Click on it and confirm the signature. Once the transaction is confirmed, your DeFi wallet will be linked to Crypto.com. You can now use your DeFi wallet to interact with various decentralized finance protocols and transfer funds between your Crypto.com account and DeFi wallet. It is essential to keep your private keys and seed phrases safe and secure, as losing them can result in loss of access to your funds. Always use two-factor authentication and keep your devices and apps up to date to protect your accounts from unauthorized access. By following these steps, you can easily link your Crypto.com account to DeFi wallet and start exploring the world of decentralized finance. Remember to always do your own research and understand the risks involved before investing in any cryptocurrency or DeFi protocol.